Good morning. First step for our texture project, we got to divide it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks. Best way to do that is just fold our paper. So for this assignment, I'm going to give you this large sheet. First thing we do is fold it over in half one time like this, and just try to make sure that your corners are even. I'm using one hand to fold this while I film. So you see how that's uneven right there? Try to get that even, okay? Then Mr. Middleton's trying to do this while holding this camera, okay? And I think I got a little bit better. Let me get that edge, all right? Okay, so that's once, and then all we gotta do now is fold it over one more time. Make sure your edges are even. Just get you a crease. Okay, and then from here, we just fold it over one more time. Just like that. Just press it down, get you a crease, and then when you open it up, you have 8 blocks. Now, go on to the next part.